I'm done exploring the entire Diagon Alley. I've spent more than enough time at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I still have like 1 hour left before this park closes. So I'm just going to go and walk around the other sections of the park as well. I think they have like 4-5 more sections. So I'm just going to walk around and see if I find something interesting.
Oh, and that red button, don't even dream of pushing it. That kind of shooting is not going to get you a suit. Let's go, let's go!
I just went for the Men in Black Alien Attack ride at the World Expo section, and it was a really cool and fun laser tag game. So you are basically fighting against the aliens in the Men in Black universe, and you are fighting them with laser, so you're playing laser tag against them, and I got like 25,000 points. But it was like a really cool game, really enjoyed it. And now I'm going to, I think the next section is which is the next section? Yeah, the next section is I think Springfield, USA, home of the Simpsons. So in this section, which is the World Expo, they have just this one ride, Men in Black. So now let's go to the home of the Simpsons. So I have been having an amazing day today, and I've been very lucky. First was the Ollivanders experience, where I was chosen to try the wand experience, and then just now I tried a shooting game at the Simpsons Zone, and I won this. I don't know how I'm going to take this because my luggage is full, but I won this. I'm in the New York section of the theme park, and I just finished riding the Transformers, the ride 3D. And the reason I went on this ride was because I remember I had gone, when I had been to the Universal Studios in Singapore, I did this ride and I was truly impressed by it. It's an amazing, amazing 3D ride. So make sure that you take out some time from your busy schedule visiting Wizarding World of Harry Potter and definitely do the Transformers ride here. It's an amazing 3D ride. I think I've covered like the Hollywood section. There wasn't a lot of shows. Then there was the Kids Zone, the Woody Woodpecker's Kids Zone, and then the home of the Simpsons. I wanted to do the Simpsons ride, but there was like a long waiting period, so I didn't go for it. World Expo, I did the Alien Attack. San Francisco, yeah, San Francisco is left. They have like one ride, which is the Fast and Furious, so I'll go and check out if they have like a short waiting time, then I might do that ride. New York, I have done the Transformers ride. I saw the Blue Brothers show. Yeah, I just saw the Blue Brothers show as well, which is a Chicago style street party with live music. So that was really fun.
You, that's the word. We want to hear you say it. Sometimes the real, real sad slide. We will break the streets, man. Get those hands up, everybody get them up, come on. Everybody get them up, even if you're a Jets fan, put your hands up, man, come on. Put them up! Everybody jump! I'm a zombie! Hey, hey! Hanging out in my neighborhood.
Twilight room.
Family.
Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Family.
And the
Anyways, I'm still single, please help me. Anyways, my boss is Tej, by the way. You know Tej, right? Anyone know Tej?
That cockroach we beat down in Spain?
La cucaracha?
What's he got to do with this?
Everything!
Nothing yet.
I just finished the Fast and Furious Supercharged ride, and it was a really good ride. It's crazy actually how they create all of these special 4D and 3D effects and all of these rides. They are all so amazing, and the attention to detail in each and every ride and the creativity that they have used for every ride. It keeps you hooked throughout the entire ride, and each and every ride is wonderful. But anyways, now the time is 5 and the park has closed, so most of the rides, I think all of the rides would have closed. So now I'm going to go and walk to the city walk, which is the pathway that connects the two parks, and just explore that area as well. After spending 2 magical days at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, my time here at the Universal Studios in Orlando, in Florida, has come to an end. I had an amazing 2 days, even though I was solo, but because it was Harry Potter and I was like checking off one of the topmost bucket list items from my list, and visiting the Wizarding World has always been my dream because I'm such a huge Harry Potter fan. So I've had a great experience, enjoyed every moment of it, enjoyed riding the Hogwarts Express, enjoyed the different rides, the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, the Gringotts ride, enjoyed exploring Hogsmeade, enjoyed the Ollivanders experience, and of course, how can I forget today being a lucky day for me when I was picked by Mr. Ollivander for the magical wand experience. It was truly special. So I'm going to sign off from the Universal Studios at Orlando in Florida. So hope you guys enjoyed exploring this magical world with me, and if you are a Harry Potter fan, then this place needs to be on your bucket list. So until next time, take care, keep traveling and keep being magical. See you all.